Till then, anybody is having any doubts regarding previous chapter? We still have time to begin with the new chapter. I hope you all practiced and studied the chapter. Shipri, I'm fine. How are you? Good. So, Niksha, have you joined from two devices? So, Niksha, unmute yourself
No, ma'am.
because two names are shown here. Now only one is shown. Diksha, I'm fine. How are you? And thanks for asking. Ruby, I'm fine. And hope same for you. Vanchika and Dhava, congratulations. All those who are writing, how are you, ma'am? Vanchika, Mrigakshi, everybody else, I'm fine, thank you. And thanks for asking. How are you all? Diksha Chaudhary, where is Diksha? Let me listen to her story. Unmute yourself. Ma'am, just surviving here. What is this? Diksha, unmute yourself. Diksha, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why surviving here only? Just surviving here? What is it?
Time is so hard.
Huh?
Ma'am, this time is so hard.
Where is the hard time?
Yes,
Why,
ma'am.
why are you calling this time hard? It's a wonderful time. Sitting all day at home with parents, watching TV, study at the time, eating all the time, dancing, making videos. What is the hard time?
Ma'am, but we are so bored here.
Why? Aren't you working on your talents?
Yes, ma'am, but missing the school.
Huh, missing the school is okay, but just surviving here is not a very positive answer from a very shining star like you of the school. Yeah, had ho gayi. No, 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 no. It's too bad. Just surviving. It's hurting you. You should be like, yeah, ma'am, we are enjoying our life, and you are here telling me just surviving. Hi. Don't use this word again. छोटे छोटे बच्चे हो तुम अभी. You should all the day you should be jumping, dancing, enjoying life. जिंदगी में बड़ा कुछ होता है. ऐसे थोड़ा just surviving here. No, no. Always say, ma'am, cool, happy. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Good. वंशिका, बहुत टचिंग मैसेज दे दिया यार तूने। किधर है? अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। क्या हो गया? बोल। व्हाट
मैम
हैपेंड?
कुछ नहीं। मैम
ऐसे
नथिंग।
थोड़ी कहते। अरे हद होगी, तुम तो सिलेक्ट हुए, यू शुड बी सेलिब्रेटिंग ऑल द टाइम। एंड आई एम नॉट फार फ्रॉम यू। हु सेड आई एम फार फ्रॉम यू? एनी टाइम आई एम जस्ट अवे सिंगल कॉल। कभी भी फोन कर ले तू। ठीक है?
ओके मैम।
एंड आई एम स्टेइंग एट सनी कॉलोनी। जब दिल करे मिलने भी आ जा, नो प्रॉब्लम्स। ओके।
ओके मैम।
हम्म।
ओके मैम।
ओके। Okay, fine. Only 29 students have, 28 students have joined, which is not a very good number. Is it possible for any of you to, you have a WhatsApp group, I'm sure. One of you write in your WhatsApp group and ask them to join the class. Jashvi, you do it. Not everybody, please write. Just write, class is going on, please join. Okay? Today you had only two classes, and after that also they are not joining it. Okay, fine. You're not able to write in your groups. Okay, fine. No problems. Let's not wait for anybody else. We'll join the class now. I'll share a screen. Just watch a video. Maybe till then, somebody will wake up and join. Those who are having numbers of their friends, WhatsApp, just text them to join the class if they are not there. Okay, fine. And do not miss this video. read the caption. Diksha and Vanchika Randhawa, you especially. Life is simple. Why complicate it? Okay? Let me stop sharing. Okay, now you watch the video, and thanks, because I think some of you message students are joining in. Thank you so very much. You have seen the video. Three people, three person were there who were crossing the same area, which was kind of a slum area. Water was collected. One of them, being a school student, passed it. Shoes were like, he took out the shoes, pull up the trousers, and walked away. Now every day he has to do this. It's a complication. We have extra work to do. The other person walked from there. The sandals were wet. The jeans trouser were wet. Whole day he has to remain in wet clothes. The third person, what he did, he arrange some bricks over it, make a path for everyone to move, and now it's very easy to step on those bricks and move. It really depends on a person, how you think, how you act, and what is your presumption, what are your actions going to be on certain problems, right? Like, it was very, now it's very easy. Arrange some bricks, make a path, and move. Life becomes simple. But we are here to complicate it. I understand this time when COVID 19 is there, you are locked inside the houses. Now, some of you might have gone to Nani's house, relatives, shops. Earlier, you were not allowed to do that also. You cannot move out without a mask. You may not like to wear it, but you are bound to wear it. It is up to you. You take it as a complication, or you make it simple, that's important for your life, your own self. So it's up to us how we take the things, how we are going to act upon it. So life is simple. Take it as it is coming, enjoy it. It's a wonderful gift of God. Don't waste it by making it more complicated. Okay? So I hope you all got my point. All got my point? Okay, yes, ma'am. So we'll begin with anybody wants to comment on anything on this video? Anyone is there to comment on this? Okay, thumbs are up here. So we'll begin with the class. Now we are going to start with our next topic, that is advanced features in Excel. Previous time when we were closing the class, I gave you the gist of how to insert a chart and what exactly is a chart in Excel, right? I hope you all have read the chapter by today, at least you have read the chapter, I'm sure. Yes? Okay. So, advanced feature, today we'll talk about, ma'am, I would act upon it. Okay, good. Vanshika Randhawa. So now I'll share a screen. You just watch a video and then we will look into it. Okay. I'll explain it afterwards, but first we'll watch the video.
Hello students, today we are going to learn advanced features of Excel. A chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet. It is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form.
So chart is a graphical representation of data in a workspace or worksheet.
It is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form.
It is an effective way to display data in pictorial form. Now, how can it be effective? Why do we are using this word effective? It is effective, for example, we'll take your example. You are filling up a Google forms, right? When you fill up a Google form, तो उसका जब हम आउटपुट देखते हैं तो इन वन पर्टिकुलर प्लेस वी गेट द आउटपुट. 40% स्टूडेंट्स को समझ में आया, 30% को नहीं आया. 30% को थोड़ा थोड़ा आया, तो that vibration, that difference, that analyze is very easy to make. Another example, when you watch a cricket match, okay, so there you joined the match, or you were out and you came little late, and suddenly when you came, the graph is shown on the screen. You might have seen that they show the graph. During when that graph is shown on the screen, it is very easy to make कि दोनों teams में क्या difference है. The other team who has already played their inning was standing where, if they have batted, how much score, where they have lost the wicket, how much score they gained, which over they had the highest score. The same way we can find it for the same, you can find it for the other team also. Okay, fine. So let's see what's next.
It helps to provide a better understanding of large quantities of data. Charts make it easier to draw comparison and see
Now, as
growth
explained, chart
and
makes it easier to
relationship
draw
among the
comparison
values
and
and
see growth
trends in
and
data.
relationship among the values and trends in data. Comparison, I told you, the two teams, we can easily compare the data and see the growth from. You might have started drawing graphs in this sixth standard, know how picture you are. When you draw a picture graph, it's very easy to make where you score 5 marks, where you score 10 marks, so you can compare and you can see the growth.
They provide rich analysis of information. Let's put this chart at various components that are in the figure.
Now,
Number
you can
1.
see this is
Chart
chart
area.
area.
Chart area includes
Chart
all the
area
area
is
and objects
full
in
of
the chart.
area in which chart is drawn. Objects are shown. Objects में okay, ma'am, video is not clear. I will be showing you the IT beans वाला video show करूंगी. But then there must be some changes. We will adjust accordingly. Okay, is that okay? Let me share it.
Hello students, today we are going to learn the advanced features. Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Charts make it easier to draw comparison and analyze the growth, relationship and trends among the values in a range. Charts provide more accurate analysis of information. When you insert a chart, the data is displayed in a special window called Data Sheet.
Now, you can see here, this is data sheet view and this is chart. Okay. So wherever the related data regarding the chart is displayed, that is data sheet view.
Chart is updated automatically with the change in data.
Time for fact file. In Microsoft Excel 2010, a file is saved with an extension .xlsx. Let us first discuss about components of a chart.
The various components of a chart are as shown in the figure.
Number 1. Chart area. The chart area includes all objects and elements
Now,
in a chart.
you can see.
Number
Now
2.
you can
Category.
see, this is the chart area in which the chart which is drawn is there. The data series are there. x-axis, y-axis, and legend is also there. Legend is a box which depicts the key and the pattern of the chart. For example, when you were in third standard, we have done the maps, right? जब हमने मैप किए थे, so we have created a key, number 1 2 3, number 1 JNK, number 2, so we wrote the numbers there on the maps. Those numbers are the key to read a map. That is what legend is in your chart in Excel.
Axis. Category axis or x-axis is the horizontal axis
Now,
of a chart.
category axis or x-axis is a horizontal axis of a chart.
Number 3, value axis. Value axis or y-axis is the vertical axis used to plot the values.
So you can see the values are here: 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, and this is in the vertical order. So vertical axis or value axis is used to plot the values.
Number 4, data series. Data series are the bars, slices or other elements that represent the data values.
Series. These are the bars which are called as data series. These are bars or slices. Why it is written on or other elements? Because in some charts you will find slices and bars are not there, lines are there, dots are there. So according to the change in the type of chart, data series also change their shape.
Number 5, axis titles. These are the headings given to x-axis and y-axis.
These are the headings. Arshia, Vinod, Monica, Aman, these are the headings, and these numbers are also the headings. These are axis titles.
Number 6, plot area. The plot area is a window within a chart area.
Chart area and plot area. Many times students get confused that plot area and chart area are the same. No, it's not the same. Plot area is the area in which the actual chart is drawn with the data series. ये है तुम्हारा plot area, actual plot area, okay, in which the chart is drawn. Whereas chart area is an area which includes plotted chart along with all other objects.
It contains the actual chart and includes the plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Number 7, legend. It depicts the colors, patterns and symbols
legend
assigned to a data series.
You can see Arshia is given light blue color, mauvish color, Vinod is given orange, Monica white, Aman light blue, Aradhika dark blue, and then pink color. So these are the legend which depicts the color and patterns and symbol assigned to the data series.
Number 8, chart title. It describes the aim and contents of the chart. Number 9, grid lines. These can either be horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type. They extend across the plot area of the chart. Grid lines make it easier to read and understand the values. Now, let us discuss about commonly used chart types. Different types of charts are available in Excel.
We have plenty of chart types. First is column. Column में इतने हमारे पास varieties हैं. Line में इतनी है. Then pie is also there. As you will go down, you will have different types of charts, and then you can choose the type of chart as you want to show your represent your data.
Some of the most commonly used charts are column chart. A column chart is a commonly used chart type to display data in the form of vertical bars.
It is used to show changes in data over a period of time or comparisons among different data items. In a column chart, categories are organized along the horizontal axis and values along the vertical axis.
Bar chart. This chart displays data in the form of long rectangular rods, also called bars, that are placed vertically or horizontally on the chart area. A bar chart illustrates comparisons amongst the individual items. In this type of chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. Fill in the blanks. Hello students, today field. Fill in the Hello students, today fill application Hello students, today we will fill in straight application multiple choice questions. Answer the following. Hello students, today we are It is used to show changes in data over a period of time or comparisons among different. Our chart illustrates comparisons amongst the individual items.
Column and bar. These are the two most commonly used charts which we use. Most of the time we use column chart, and then if sometimes we require bar, we choose this. Both the bars use the slices or horizontal and vertical bars to display our data. These bar charts are used to illustrate comparison among the individual items.
In this type of chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. Line chart. This chart is in the form of lines. It is very similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper with its values on the x and y axis.
On a graph paper with its value on the x and y axis, and you'll find these kind of charts we are using where comparison is most of the time we are showing, for example, your cricket match times.
A line chart uses connecting dots to display trends in data over a period of time.
Pie chart. This chart displays data in the form of a circle that makes up a data series to the sum of items.
It always shows only one data
Now, pie
series
chart,
and
this
is
chart
useful when you
displays
want
the
to
data in the form of
emphasize
circle
on a
that makes up a
significant
data series
element.
to the sum of items. Now, this is in a shape of a circle. Donut, radar, and pie. These are the three type of charts which shows your data single individual series. You don't have many data to एक चीज को, for example, when you study your science, you have the component of gases on earth, right? That time also you'll find one circle is there which is divided into different gases: oxygen, nitrogen, neon, argon, and rest of the gases. That percentage is given. So what are we discussing? We are discussing gases on the earth. So that is one particular data, gases on the earth. So when we have to discuss such kind of data, we use pie chart or radar or donut. Three charts are there.
Now let us learn how to create a chart. It is quite simple to create a chart in Excel. Follow these steps to create a chart.
Stop now. Did you understand the components of the chart? Write faster in your chat box. Okay. Did you understand the types of charts? Did you understand the types of charts? Okay, fine. So these two topics are clear to you. If our meeting get disconnected, please come back. We'll complete the topic. Okay. Now, uh, let me share a screen with you. Are you able to watch the screen?
Create a new worksheet with the data as shown in the figure. Select the range A2 is to B7 including column titles and row labels to be displayed in the chart. Click on the Insert tab and go to the Charts group. Select the desired chart category, for example, column, and select the suitable chart subtype, for example, clustered column, from the display choices. The chart appears on your worksheet. The three tabs named Design, Layout, and Format appear under the Chart Tools category on the ribbon. These tabs contain options for editing and formatting the chart. Select the desired layout from the Chart Layout group on the Design tab and observe the changes. You can also
Wait a minute. Okay, we'll switch on to Excel and we'll draw a chart. Even the previous class also we have done the same. If you remember, we have drawn a chart and we have seen the chart. Aditi, you are talking to somebody, I believe. Just wait. Okay, so if I'll see if I have. I'll choose your data only, but here I cannot use anything. Let me check something else. Wait a minute. We'll choose a data of your class only when you were in third standard. Hmm, no. I have kept your data third A. Okay, we'll have mark list format. Uh, third A evaluation chart, and then we have online result third A. Okay, we'll choose this particular data from name to this much. 10 records we will choose from here and we'll copy them. We have unit 1, unit 2. We take unit 2, English marks. Okay, we name and then we have till here. Not your class, some other class, but we'll choose the copy and we'll have new, create and paste. Now I have this, we'll delete father's name, we'll delete these two also. Delete. Now we have this much. Now we'll select the data, go to insert, we have charts, column chart if I'll take this one and see. The chart is drawn. But this is too much. We'll delete little more data to make it more clear. We'll delete this much. Now we have this much. Or we'll have only 5 this much records. Insert, column, this much, and see. Now, this is your legend. This is your X axis, category axis, and this is your value axis. These are your data series. Now, legend can be moved. यहाँ पे भी आ सकता है. You can move it to any place. Okay. You can move it here, back here. You can move it to any place. Shift here, shift here, shift here. Left, right, center, anywhere you can place it, and you can format it also. How to format is we'll tell later. Now, whenever you will insert chart, three three more tabs will appear: design, layout, format. Design will give you the different designs here. You can change the design of your own choice. Clicking on these arrows, you will have more designs. For example, this, see. Layout, you can change the pattern of it. From here, you can change the patterns, tab title and all that, whatever you want to show as per your choice. Now, this is the format. Formatting, you can change the formatting of the legend. You can change the color and pattern of the chart. You can change the formatting of a value axis and x-axis. This you will be learning in the next class. Now, I'll stop share. We'll have a, okay. This much is clear to you. The three tabs when you insert any chart will appear. Whenever you want to insert a chart, you need to select the data first. First, you will select the data. After selecting the data, you will be using the, after selecting the data, you will do what? Insert the chart. अगर तुम डेटा यूज किए बिना, सिलेक्ट किए बिना डाटा डालने की कोशिश करोगे तो it will not get inserted, because nowadays there is little different version of the window Excel is coming. First you need to select the data, then you will be inserting the chart. Any question, anyone? Shall I wind up the class? Thank you, Vanchika, Randhava.